Alright, back with Chris's box. Chris asked for number 7. If you watch Sean's video, I looked through every number and there was not one that ended in 7, but this did end in 808, so as close to 07 as you can get without hitting. Here we go, Chris. Alright, Dwight Howard, Troy Murphy, $3.99 and $3.99. Jeff Teague, rookie recruits. Got a redemption, that's numbered to $2.99. Last card, we'll do that one first. Tim Duncan, Kobe Bryant, Kevin Garnett, Dwayne Wade, 8 of 50. Quad jersey. And the redemption is rookie recruit signatures 150. Sam Young is 151. I remember that. So let's see who 150 is. Oh, here it is. Maybe that was 151 for the other one. Sorry. DeMar DeRozan is 150. So there you have it, Chris. 151 was from Absolute. We got a redemption yesterday for him. That was Sam Young. Anyway, I appreciate it, man, and I'll get these right out to you. See you later.